How's it going? Welcome to this video. All right, so in this video we are going to talk about a P0308 code. If you guys have this code, you probably have it through using a scanner, or if your mechanic told you about this code P0308, you essentially have a cylinder 8 misfire. Essentially the code is cylinder 8 misfire detected, meaning that chances are, if you have this code, your vehicle is if you have a misfire, you're probably going to be running a little bit rough. But don't worry about it. We are going to talk about this code and how you guys can fix it. So basically, if you guys have this code as a standalone, P0308, don't worry about it. It doesn't really mean that your engine is having it's going to be expensive, or your engine's having issues. Basically, the code essentially means that you could probably have either a bad spark plug or a bad coil. In either case, those are not very expensive components, particularly if you order online. Obviously, if you order a coil at AutoZone, they're going to charge you like $100. A coil on eBay is probably like $20. In any case, if you guys have this code, it's an easy fix. Just change the spark plug and the coil and you should be okay. However, if you get this P0308 code with a couple other codes, which says that there are misfires at a couple of different cylinders, there's a good chance that you probably need to change the spark plug and the coil on those cylinders too, particularly if you have an older vehicle. However, there's a case if you get a P0308 code and it comes every once in a while with a bunch of other codes, and then you get a random misfire code with that, there's a good chance that you might have a bigger issue, either a vacuum leak, or there's an issue with your engine, with compression, or something like that. Some bigger issue than just changing a coil and or a spark plug. But if you get this code, you could actually check to see whether it's either the coil or spark plug by actually just moving changing out the coil, switching the coil from a good cylinder to that, and then if it draws a misfire, you get a code for misfire on that cylinder that you change the coil to, it's probably the coil that's the problem and not the spark plug. However, in any case, you probably should change out the spark plug and the coil in this situation. If you guys have your own experiences with this, definitely drop a comment in the comment section. Let us know your opinions of it. Please give me a thumbs up. Please subscribe. All that good stuff. Leave a comment. Take care, guys.